Hear it. Hey Alex,
Oh, hey
fancy
Dylan.
you seeing here.
Yeah, just came up here to see the graveyard.
How are
Oh my
you this
god,
morning?
it really is broken.
I
I'm
brought some
alright.
shovels.
Yeah, I have an idea. I think we should make this destroyed field project into a hidden feature, which the viewers will in turn have to watch until the end to find out what it is.
Fair enough. I think it's definitely going to be worth it.
Should we go into it?
I think we should.
All right,
Let's go. Hello guys. Today we're going to be rebuilding this feature. Really. Now, as you saw, it's been quite destroyed. So
we're going to make it into a new hidden feature that you guys will have to watch until the end to find out what it is. So
indeed.
let's have a go.
Yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Guys, we reached the halfway point.
Tell us what you think it's going to be in the comments.
Take your guesses.
It's coming along quite nicely, don't you think, Dylan?
Very nicely. I'll give you a clue. It's not a jump.
So this is the finished product. Let's have a ride and see how it feels.